Okay, we are going to talk about the proper gun cleaning for the Norvell Zgun. Okay, so this is for your daily cleaning. So at the end of every day, this is how the gun should be cleaned. So you should have a little bit of solution left in your cup. I'm just going to unscrew it, drain out all of the solution. We're going to run water. Turn it upside down, put the hose, the sink, straight to the straw. It's going to run water through. You're going to pull the trigger back, and you're going to hold the trigger back and run water through it until it runs clear. So this process takes a good minute to 2 minutes, and you're just going to run it until it's completely clear. So it's ran completely clear with water. You can also, if need be, if there's any solution gummed up in the nozzle, you can rinse that off. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a second cup that you're going to put system cleaner in. So I use the Norvell system cleaner to clean the gun. Okay, so empty cup. And you're going to pour just a small amount of system cleaner into the cup. So just enough for these, once you screw your gun back on, we're going to go run it through the machine now. Let's go. All right, so we have our gun with our gun cleaner. We're now in our spray tan room. We're going to connect it to our machine. So got it connected. We're going to turn it on. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to pull the trigger and you're going to run the solution through the gun. You can see it spraying out. You're going to run it through for about a minute. I will pull the trigger back a couple times, hold the trigger. You're going to keep running this through. It's going to clean and lubricate all the inside of your gun. It's going to prevent it from sticking. This will keep us nice and fluid. Spray. We do this at the end of each shift. This is the daily clean. After you run it through for a good minute, you're going to unscrew it, and then you're going to pull the trigger back and dry out. So I'm pulling the trigger back, the machine is still on, and I'm basically getting, and I'm making sure that it's all, none of it's left in the hose, and I'm pulling the trigger and completely drying out the inside of the gun. You want to kind of move it around, make sure there's no solution, any solution left in your straw. You want to pull the trigger back until it completely runs clear. You don't see any other spittles of water. You just need to dry out the inside of your gun. And that's it. That's your daily cleaning. Once you've completed that, your gun is ready to use the next day. Thank you.